Hi, boys and girls. We're gonna work on Little Red Truck again today. And if you see two little hearts, move to the little beats. Ta, 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 ta. When you see one big heart, move to the big beats. Ba, ba, ba. Start with little. Ta, 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 ta. You use two hands, I'll use one. Little red truck goes splish, splish, splash. Little red truck goes whee! Little red truck goes splish, splish, splash when it's raining on me. Ba, 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 ba. Little red truck goes splish, splish, splash. Little red truck goes whee! Little red truck goes splish, splish, splash when it's raining on me. What if I switch right in the middle? Can you switch your movements too? Ta, 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 ba, ba, ba. Let's try it. Start with ba, ba. Little red truck goes splish, splish, splash. Little red truck goes whee! Little red truck goes splish, splish, splash when it's raining on me. Did your beats get a little bit faster when we switched from big to little? Be my echo, my turn first. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. What if I switch a little quicker? Start with ta, 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 ta. Little red truck goes splish, splish, splash. Little red truck goes whee! Little red truck goes splish, splish, splash when it's raining on me. That was a little bit harder. Okay, final challenge. I'm not showing you the answer anymore. Start with ta, 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 ta. Keep watching the card so you know when to switch your movements. Ta, 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 ta. Little red truck goes splish, splish, splash. Little red truck goes whee! Little red truck goes splish, splish, splash when it's raining on me. Did you end with ba, ba, ba when I switched to the big beat? If that was tricky and you want to practice some more, go back to the beginning and watch this video again. Nice job, everyone.